Yeah, the train is coming going to the Newcastle Beach, guys. Yeah, that's life here, guys. That's beautiful train here. That's a big train tram in the Newcastle City. So, um, that's transport here in the city. So it's a beautiful. So another day na naman, guys, to make beautiful people around. Yeah, it's still early here, guys, around 8 o'clock. So you need to keep refreshing every day, make beautiful and handsome. You do some breakfast, you keep ready to ready yourself wherever you go. So wherever you have planned today. So by the way, guys, I'm going to work. So it's a beautiful, wonderful. Yeah, that's my day. Keep going, guys. Today you need to see some big train around. This is my second day going there in the big shopping center for work there. So as you can see, guys, my attire, I wear all white, guys. So have a lovely day, beautiful day. Shout out. So I keep more busy this month, guys. So because I'm going to holiday next month. So have a lovely day. The sunset, guys, is the weather check is beautiful here in Newcastle, guys. So it's nice day because it's summertime here. Beautiful. So I show you my scooter, guys. Very cute. Look like me. Cute. So I need to protect that, guys. That's important for me because I going there to get to work because I take the big train and then the train stops. So I ride the scooter going there. So it's a beautiful, fantastic, guys. So my look, that's my shoe around here. That's around here in Newcastle, close to my place, guys. So big the sunshine. Look at the sky. So this is the big city Newcastle, guys. So what's up? Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching all my videos around here. Beautiful. So the train is coming. So I ride this train, guys. Oh, thank you. I watch the train. So it's very beautiful. So I get the train now, guys. So here, wonderful. I go there. So here. Good morning, good morning. I'm in the train, guys. Beautiful.
Doors are closing. Please stand clear.
Okay.